So the shock drop finally came for the Air Jordan 4 Breds, and I must say, bruh, it was a lot of W's that went out. We gotta talk about in today's video, man. I got one other thing to say, bro. Now that the shock drop finally happened, you know what I'm saying, we brought you guys that accurate information. Y'all gotta at least forgive us for what happened last week. You know what I'm saying? They said it was gonna happen last week, and they switched up on us. It came day Tuesday, which is crazy. And I want to let you guys know, man, what's super crazy about today on this shock drop, bro. Your boy hit on it. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got a W, got his double up secured. And look what time I hit, bro. I'm gonna put a screenshot up here, but your boy literally hit at 2:23 Eastern Standard Time. And that's something else that a lot of people are going to be talking about, is the long pending action that was happening over on Nike SNKRS App. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. I think that notification bell is super important. You know what I'm saying? Your boy literally went live as soon as we got the information from the Discord, which you guys need to join ASAP Rocky. I'm gonna link the Instagram down below that you need to go follow so you can enter into the Discord, because we knew the time and the date actually before it happened. Like, I know a lot of people came up on Twitter and stuff, let you guys know today that it was happening, but I knew yesterday the exact time. You guys remember I put something up on my community saying I got that time for tomorrow, you feel me? So if you guys want to get that information the same time I get it, join that Discord that's linked down below in the description box. But if you don't want to join the Discord, you just want to get the information straight from your boy DaVincis, man. Of course, like I said, that notification bell is super important. So yeah, guys, man, Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is probably one of the most hyped up sneakers so far in 2024. We went through a whole, huge fiasco last week with Nike not shock dropping these, and then instead they shock dropped the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive metallic, gold joints. Nobody wanted them, and then they pushed this shock drop back to this week today, of course, at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And a lot of you guys probably knew about it today, and you was on your phones, you was trying to get it, you even entered onto the draw or to the line to get these things. You were pending for a long period of time, and me myself, man, I had a couple of homies get dubs at 2:02 p.m. and then people like me and like other people in the live stream that was hitting like 20, even 23, 24 minutes after the initial shock drop, which is crazy. I don't know if Nike was weeding through bots like they say they are doing once you do enter into different lines and stuff like that for sneakers, or if it was just a delay and them let you know you did get a W, because 23 minutes waiting that long is kind of crazy. Usually if you're waiting that long, it's an automatic L, but if you see me, I literally waited 23 minutes and I got a huge W, which is so crazy. I always said I was going to double up on these, and I got the double up early on the shock drop. So that's super, super clutch. Let me know right now down below in the comment section if you were one of those lucky people that did hit on the shock drop. There were no numbers as of yet. The monitors went down for Nike literally right before the drop. And hold on, y'all. I just got the notification for the stock numbers, man. So it was 150,000 men pairs and 70,000 grade school pairs that did drop today on this shock drop. So 150,000 pairs is not a lot if you think about it. All the hype, all the anticipation. I literally got these stock numbers, which are accurate from the Discord I keep telling you guys to go join. I'm gonna tag the Instagram down below. Go follow them. Tell me your boy DaVincis sent you, and tell them to let you enter the Discord, bro. Discord got some crazy information. Always the best, most accurate, up-to-date stuff. So make sure you go follow them, which I'm gonna link down below. But literally the information just came through. Shout out to the homies over at Family Vibes Discord. You need to join ASAP Rocky. So 150,000 men pair. Your boy got a one size at 9.5, and I'm wondering how the breakdown is. Once I do get some more information about that, I will probably share it over on Twitter or over on Instagram. Make sure you guys join that community. But 150,000 pairs ain't a lot, bro. This is a super hyped up release. A lot of people have been wanting it. People say they tired of hearing about it. People say they don't like the sneaker. People even been going as far as saying they don't care about these. They only want the 2019 Breds, the OG pair. But then come around the release day, come around this shock drop, now everybody popping out the woodwork trying to get a pair of these Bred Reimagined. Kind of happy that the shock drop finally did happen. Of course, you guys will get some extra chances at getting these for retail. Of course, there's gonna be an exclusive access coming soon. It might even be a sneakers pass for these Air Jordan 4 Breds, and it's going to be around, I think, 450,000 pairs men's total here dropping in the next couple of weeks. So 150,000 taken away from that, I'm pretty sure it's going to be an EA here and there, and of course maybe even a sneakers pass. But it's a lot of pairs going to be out there. Don't pay resale yet. I'm telling y'all, trust your boy. The resale already dropping crazy. Like, it's dropping crazy since we got the first word that it is going to be a shock drop. Pairs going to be getting out there. People going to be dropping up price left and right. And then come around a release date, February 17th, probably going to be able to get these for right around retail, which is $215. And I know most people don't care about resale value. They just want to know if they can get a pair or not. I know me, I don't care about resale value that much. If I like a shoe, I get it. And I'm pretty sure if you watch this video, you're the same way. So yeah, man, if you were in the live stream, bro, I do truly appreciate it, man. Felt like old times, you know what I'm saying? We used to go live all the time, but today felt a little bit, you know what I'm saying, a little bit special, you feel me? Boy, went live, chop with you guys, raw and cut reaction. Waited forever to get that W on the SNKRS app. Finally got it. And that's the first live, the first W live of the year 2024. We starting the year off with a bang, man. So again, I appreciate everybody for coming to the live stream. Appreciate everybody for watching all the videos leading up to this shot drop, because the information was coming left and right. A lot of different people putting in information that didn't know what they was talking about, and then now finally the shot drop did happen. So salute to everybody that did get a W. Like I said, don't pay resale yet. If you did not take a W, you got an L. I appreciate all of the support again, man. Love y'all. Thanks so much for tapping in. Sub up to the channel. Hit the notification bell to miss out on any more exclusive information about shot drops, free stocks, exclusive access, sneakers passes, all that good stuff. And of course, go join the Discord. I'm gonna leave the IG down below. Go hit them up on Instagram. Tell them your boy Vincent sent you, and we'll send you a link to join the Discord. And make sure you leave a huge like on today's video, man. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, man, I'm finally happy that the shot dropped and finally came. It's over with, and now we can move on to the next release, man. Peace.